Okay, so in this video, so please learn how to draw this bicycle all together. Okay, so let's start. So first I would like to draw the number 5. Okay, so number 5. Okay, so this is number 5. So what we do next is drawing the circle, mean the wheel of bicycle. So we just turn around here. Okay. The way of turning around for me is not good, but let me try. Okay, and then move down like this. In the center of the circle, and we need to draw a straight line like this. Okay, so I think enough, and then we look back to other thing that we need to draw. Okay, like this. And the hand of bicycle. Okay. Move down. Okay, so number 5, definitely we transfer it ready. So we need to do something for transferring. So just put down like this. Okay. Okay, it seems a bit short. And then we move curving, move curve down. Okay, cool. Curve up and down, and curve to connect. So this one I'm going to paint in black color. Okay, turn in black, and then start from here like this. Okay, a little curve, and this is one, I think the end of this we need to apply the circle of the central. Okay, and then we move back like this and round off. This one also round off. Okay, so I need to move. And string, and this one also string. Okay, and this one also string to connect like this, to connect like this as well. And then we need to turn it round, I mean the circle. So I think we can start from here. You can start anywhere, but the size must be the same like this. If your drawing is like perfect of circle, it is very great. So I'm going to start here. Okay, I'm also poor how to turn it circle. Okay. Oh, something else. We need to put the straight line like this. Okay. Yeah. So the wheel must be black, and we can paint it. We can paint it in black. So just put the circle can be bigger. It's up to you. So and make it like a better wheel. Yeah. Oh no, made a mistake now. Yeah. This wheel also not a good circle. Oh my god.